Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 228. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 5, but I don't see any other help. So 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. If we look at this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 here and a 6 here, so this is our 3. That 5 makes this our 6, 5. That 3 makes this our 5. And we can get rid of this 5 and this 5. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 6. 1 here, so 5, 1. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. For this column, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 covering here and an 8 here, so this is our 6. 8 here, so 7, 8. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 8. I don't see any other help. So 1, 7, 1, 7. If we look at this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 1 and 7 here. So this is our 2, 7 here, so 1, 7. For this row, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 and 9 here, so this is our 2, 9 here, so 6, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this box, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this column, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 3. 2 here, so 9, 2. For this column, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. That 1 makes this our 7, 1. For this bottom row now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this row, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. That 3 makes this our 2 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.